So it's not just meet George Jetson. It's not just in the Jetsons. It's in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Sunrise. Before the break, we told you about Robot Liz. Joining us this morning are David White, head of the School of Computing and Information Technology, Shanice Facey, honorary computer science graduate, and student Carlisha Nicholson. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Good morning, Liz.
Good morning.
Hi.
Lisa, tell me hello.
Yes, so she's seeing the computer, so she's trying to scan the computer's face.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
I wonder if Lisa can scan my face.
Probably done that already.
Yes, right? Well, I know, for example, a lot of us didn't know that Robot Liz existed, especially in the capacity that she is. Please enlighten us as to how is she helping in terms of gathering information and helping the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Okay, well, earlier this year, we had an expo. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force took a liking to Liz recently because we also had her at the Flow ICT for Girls conference. So they were very interested in it because we as students did a project in COVID time. So our idea was that we needed contactless methods or ways of going about, communicating with COVID patients. So we said, okay, we have a robot that we are learning from at school and stuff, and it's capable to do a number of things. It has biometrics, it has proximity sensors, and it can map an area and move around on its own.
Yes.
So we said, let's put a program on that robot that could possibly triage the patients that have a high chance of having COVID, because our nurses and doctors were very restricted and also had a high percentage of infectious rate.
Right.
So basically the program that we created was more so you walk up to the robot acknowledges that you're there, you type in your ID number, it asks you like a list of questions, have you been in contact with anyone that has COVID, stuff like that, and it makes a prediction on whether you have COVID or not. Then it takes your temperature, your blood pressure, your oxygen levels, send all of those over to the nurse, and they tells you to take a seat at the end.
Oh.
And then the nurse would more so get the information and say, hey, patient 10, or what the case may be, stand to see the doctor.
It sent the information via Bluetooth.
Yeah.
So at no time did the patient, this was all done during COVID, So the students, when they came on campus, went over to the health center, right? All the vitals were taken by the robot, and it would be sent wirelessly over Bluetooth to the nurse. So everybody was protected. The health staff was protected and the students were protected. So everybody did this project on campus, and everybody wanted, to come to their expo.
Definitely.
I love that.
And I can attest to the fact that at the JCF Expo earlier this year, it was one of the most popular booths at the expo. There was a lot of foot traffic going there, so it
Everybody
speaks to...
wanted to dance with her.
So the University of Science and Technology, living up to them name.
Yes,
University of
right,
Technology,
UTech, right. So I'm looking at this for the potential that it could have. For instance, with the use of AI and the development of various GPTs, these generative facilities that exist. I mean, what's the possibility now that we can be using it to help in areas that are overwhelmed? So, for instance, if you have this kind of a robot, you can upload, for instance, the Road Traffic Act. Anybody who has any questions of the Road Traffic Act can get the answers from Liz or another robot like it now.
Liz, yes.
And apply that to various businesses, and you now have something that maybe in the future we can be having these things to ease the burden then on the humans who work with it.
Definitely. In fact, it will augment a lot of jobs. Right now at UTech, we just launched a new degree in artificial intelligence.
Wow.
And just last week, immediately after our graduation, Microsoft was here recruiting some of our students. even from the AI field to come and work with them. You would have known that Microsoft pumped 10 billion into ChatGPT, right?
Yes.
And they came here, and when they saw the talent at UTech, they were so odd, that right after graduation. Oh, by the way, Shanice just graduated on Friday.
I graduated last year.
Congratulations, congratulations.
Alicia graduated last year, and the companies are just knocking on our door here at the School of Computing, just asking, can't you give us some more Shanices?
Well, that's the purpose. That's the purpose of a university to create new knowledge and produce new people for the economy.
So let me just ask as well, because I'm quite sure that many parents are watching, or even students are watching Sunrise at this moment, and they're intrigued and interested in the, getting to be in that kind of environment. How does one apply? And are you taking in students right now? What are the prerequisites?
Okay, 5, 6, well, let me tell you all of that. But just to say that the government also got on board, and they have allocated $2.4 billion for us here in the STEM fields. The School of Computing is part of that, and we're to double the graduates over 5 years, the STEM graduates. Nice. All right, to get into the School of Computing, all you need is 5 CXCs. You can apply on UTech's website. That's www.utech.edu.jm. And we take students in. We have a January cohort and an August cohort. And you can apply right now, and we'll process you for the next batch that's coming in.
Wonderful. Are there any plans to make another robot like Liz, or get another robot like Liz?
Actually, we're talking with a number of companies, and I must say thanks to Innovate 10X, which is the company that donated Liz to us, And yes, we are planning to expand our AI offerings on campus, and you hear a lot more about that.
Wonderful.
Awesome.
We're here for it.
Awesome, definitely. Thank you very much.
We're inviting CVM to come on campus, and just say the awesome work that we're doing, not just with Liz, but a lot of other areas in AI.
Yes.
Talk about helping the police. We have an automatic license plate detection system. We have a lot of projects here that the students have developed, because we specialize here at UTech in being hands-on, work-ready, and also practical projects to help the industry.
Sounds great. Sounds great. Thank you very much.
Can Liz tell us bye? Denise, is it possible? C'est possible? Liz can tell us bye, and we're definitely going to take you up on that invitation, because we're all about, disseminating information to help our nation.
She likes her space, so we have to
go.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, you have to tuck away yourself.
Yeah.
All right.
She can. Oh, she's so low.
Okay, we're waiting for Liz to tell me bye.
Hold on. She's being. She's saying she's blocked. Hold on, give her a second.
Liz not too like the old back crowd.
Liz answer back.
Yeah, Liz not too like people like that.
Please give me away. I'm going to start dancing. I've been blocked. Oh, please give me away.
She's gonna start that.
I am blocked.
Oh, the
Please
chair.
give me away.
Move out of the way. I am blocked.
I am blocked.
Please give me away.
Oh wow, it's giving me an R2D2 vibe. You know what I mean? Oh my.
Hey, there we go.
I am blocked. Please give me away.
All right.
All right. Well, guess what?
All right, thank you.
Please give me away.
All right. Well.
Step forward by herself.
I'm in blocked. Please give me away.
All right.
I am blocked. Please give me away.
All right.
No problem,
Thank you
Liz.
very
We will
much.
see you when
we get there.
When we get there.
When we
Bye,
get to
Liz.
UTech. Thank
Pick
you
up
very
yourself.
much.
Thank
All
you
right.
so much, guys. UTech family, good morning. Thanks to each and every one of you and everybody at the School of Computing. Good job. Lovely. We like that. Move in the right direction, Dennis.
Yeah,
You know
man,
what I mean?
definitely.
Big things are going on in Jamaica, you know.
Whole heap of big
Yeah,
things,
man.
because we are not blocked.
Yeah,
So
we're.
we are not blocked.
You see that? You're bright, man. 10th grade. You see that? Aye.
Anyway, stay with us. Destination Tuesdays is up After the break, we're going to find out where we're going.
Yeah, where we going, Dennis? We're packing our bags.